Scripting language. Scripting language is nothing but a simplified programming languages. Mostly scripting languages are interpreted at runtime but not compiled, which is nothing but a scripting languages cannot be compiled directly, it will be interpreted during the runtime. And whenever you include the scripting languages in a HTML, then that HTML page will be act as a dynamic web page, otherwise it acts as a static web page. What is the meaning of static web page and dynamic web page means, for example, if you created any one button and if you click on that button, it doesn't generate any action on that. Why? Because that is a static web page. In a static web page, if you generate any action also, it doesn't handle it. Whereas in a dynamic web page, when HTML page will be act as a dynamic web page means whenever you include the scripting languages in a HTML. So here mostly why we include the scripting languages in a HTML means to create a dynamic web pages. What is the meaning of dynamic web page means? For example, if you created any one button and you click on that button, it is going to be generating some action. So that is nothing but a static and dynamic. So mostly in a HTML we can include the VB script or JavaScript, but most popular scripting languages we include in a HTML web page is JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular scripting language. JavaScript language is developed by Netscape Sun Microsystems in the year 1995. JavaScript is derived from a Java programming language, but it is not same like a Java. Next one, Java is a lightweight programming language. What do you mean by lightweight programming language means? To use this JavaScript, we doesn't require any extra hardware and software tools. And to run a JavaScript also, it doesn't require any extra memory space. That's why it is called as a lightweight programming language. And already I said JavaScript can be directly interpreted at a runtime. It is not compiled. That's why it is called as a interpreted programming language with object oriented capabilities. And JavaScript can be written within a notepad also. And Java is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive is nothing but for example, sum is a variable written in lowercase letters and sum is a variable written in uppercase letters. Both will be having the different meanings. Why? Because it is a case sensitive language. Next one, mainly to develop a client side applications we use the JavaScript, and JavaScript handles the date and time. And in a JavaScript, plus symbol is used for concatenation and addition also. Okay, addition and concatenation. In a JavaScript, each and every statement ends with a semicolon. And in a JavaScript, in C, control statement syntax whatever is there, same syntax it follows in a JavaScript also. This is about the JavaScript.